All right, we are here at the Riverwalk in Milwaukee, and check this out. They actually replaced these terrifying wheelchair lifts.
It's still slow.
I mean, it's still bad, but at least it doesn't sound like it's about to completely explode.
Savaria.
Yep.
Is this totally new?
This is new. The old ones were genuinely terrifying. I literally thought I was going to die on it. So let's take a ride on the new one. We have a scenic wheelchair lift.
All right. Let's see how this does.
Nice. Come on. I don't think that closed all the way. Nope. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Gosh dang it.
This thing really not going to work. You have to like pull it with your fingernails. There we go.
This is a huge improvement. Ready to go up?
For what it is, it doesn't run bad. You gotta take it up. That's interesting.
Well, that is
it ran good.
That's a huge upgrade to what it used to be. So